Good day, good day. It's your boy Betty, it's your man Markel Prines, Mr. RVADelivered.com, the entrepreneur that all the gurus will soon learn to hate. No suit, no tie, no college degree, but we still make money from home. And real quick, what I have for you right now is a quick walkthrough, so to speak. This right here is going to be a series of videos where we're going to go over different affiliate marketing opportunities, and we're going to center it around one of my favorite websites and traffic sites, which is called Traffic Ad Bar, which you can see right here at the top. Now, what Traffic Ad Bar actually allows you to do is build your business from home, and as you can see on the side here, you can see it has different numbers here and views. So you can come here, sign up for absolutely free. If you have a business or product or service that you're promoting, you can come here, create your own ad. You can look at other people's businesses and the information in their websites, and they can actually visit your site, buy your services and products and things like that. But basically, it's a fair exchange type of system where you can actually view all these different people's websites, which in later videos, I'm going to give you guys a few hints and a few ideas as to how you can actually grow your business and make more money from home using this site right here in unconventional ways. But in this video right here, what we're going to do is we're just going to look at a couple of websites, a couple of different people have posted, and just to see what's out there. If you are an affiliate marketer, one thing I'm going to give you a quick key right now to success. One thing that you need to know is what your competition actually looks like. So right now we're going to go through a couple of websites and we're going to see what the competition actually looks like and how you can possibly, use that to your advantage. If you see something that you like, you may want to remake that in your own way. And if you don't know how to create websites of your own, stay to the end of this video. Of course, in the description, I'm going to have a link to where you can actually create your own websites for free. You can start your own home-based business for free. You can get your affiliate marketing training for free. So let's get into it real quick with this first website right here, this first home-based business or whatever it might be. But as you can see right now from the top right here, from the heading, it has to be a business. It says hottest business opportunity on the planet. There's never been a global business like this ever. Press play to learn more. So as you can see, this is what this person's web page look like, their lead capture page, and we're going to just play the video to see what's going on in this video.
Wouldn't you agree? The majority of people who fail in the home-based business industry is because historically products have been low quality and way overpriced. Pay plans have had too many hoops to jump through, and systems are always too hard to use. What if there was a company who offered the highest quality products that actually worked? You could feel them and see them work, otherwise impact products, and they were priced below wholesale for customers and below manufacturer's cost for distributors, and you could make up to 55% retail profit paid daily every time someone bought a product from you, plus a brand new digital advertising product that could get you hundreds of qualified leads every month, week, or day. A company who offered the highest paying compensation plan that had no hoops to jump through, one that pays up to 100% in daily fast start bonuses and up to 100% in monthly residual commissions, as well as $100,000 group volume bonus and a leader's bonus of $1 million. A company who offered systems that were so easy to use that an 8-year-old or a 98-year-old could use them to build their business, and a company who offered a bonus plan where, with no recruiting required, you could take a one-time out-of-pocket product purchase of $35 and turn it into $12,640 over and over again, paid daily. Would you be interested? Well, this company just launched, and now it's your chance to get in at the top. Fill out the form below to get your free membership right now. Once you log into your member's back office, click the green banner in the middle of the page and purchase the one-time $35 Gen Cycler product package to receive our brand new prospector advertising tool and a free entry into our 4-phase bonus system that pays you up to $12,640 over and over again, paid daily. We'll see you on the inside.
Okay, you guys, so that right there, first video, first video. Yeah, that right there was pretty good. I'm kind of speechless. Great video, great animation. Sounds like a great product, great price. What they're offering sounds like, something that I would really honestly be interested in. For just $35 is really low risk. Um, I'm surprised. I'm surprised. I expected to do this and see a bunch of crappy products right off top. Maybe 1 out of 10 may be something good, but to have the first one that we actually go through, and this is my first time watching this video, um, is pretty good. It's giving me ideas with my own personal business of how I would actually make a video, animated video. And real quick, before I end this video, you guys, if you guys are interested in learning how to make animated videos, also the link will be in the description. And if I can, I may put a link to this particular person's website right here, just in case the information shared in this video was helpful to you. I'm not an affiliate or anything for this particular program, but if I could get the link and share it with you guys, if this short informational video that they have on there may be helpful, you might find it interesting for yourself, then I'll put that in the description. But once again, this is your boy, better yet your man, Markel Prines, MrRVADelivered.com. Have a great rest of your day.